Hi everyone, this dish is known two ways. Some call it ratatouille, made without meat, others call it legume and include meat. Today I am making a mix of both, served with red beans rice. Let's start by juicing some fresh melon, lemon, oranges, cucumber, and beets for my kids. Full of vitamins and perfect to start the day right. I am washing the beef with lemon, lime, vinegar, hot water, and optional salt to clean it and add flavor. I always wash fruits and meat before cooking or juicing. Now season your meat with your favorite ingredients or whatever you like best to bring out the flavor. Use gloves or clean hands to mix. Okay, now I'm ready to cut all my vegetables. Cabbage, eggplants, carrots, and some chayote. When you are done cutting, before adding the vegetables, add oil, tomato paste, butter optional, seasoning, and a special spice to the pan. After, add the chayote, eggplants, cabbage, carrots, and scotch bonnet pepper on top. Then pour in the coconut milk before covering the pan. Oh, I almost forgot. I added some frozen spinach to the mix. Now let it cook until everything gets softer and the flavors come together. Don't forget to add 2 whole tomatoes for extra flavor. Once everything is ready and soft, grab your potato masher and mash all those legumes. I seasoned the meat and let it sit overnight in the fridge for extra flavor. Now we can start frying the meat to get a nice color and cook it through. After the meat is cooked, combine it with the legumes. I cooked the beans rice on the side, but don't forget to remind me to show you how in the future videos. Here's the final result. Don't forget to subscribe for more and check out my bilingual kids books. I will put the link in the description below. Bye!